Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Sri Hari Raghavendra Academy for Conditional Formatting, class number 2. In the last class, we discussed about how to apply the formatting option to the marks column if the marks is greater than 90, in between 70 to 90, 50 to 70, and less than 25, and the students have got exactly 100. So we did this option by selecting conditional formatting by highlighting cell rule greater than, less than, between, equal to. Right? Today we will be talking about the one more conditional of formatting option with text that is containing with. Okay, so today we will be discussing with the text that is containing with option. So before we begin the class, so if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and comment your requirements as well. So to begin class, let us start the class with a prayer. Gnananandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatikakrutim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Ayagrivam Upasmahe Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. By taking the divine blessings of Hayagriva Swami and Saraswati Devi, let's start today's class. Guys, if you do remember what we done in the last class, I just highlighted in the first 60 seconds of this video. So now today I will be talking about or I will be teaching you about how to apply this text that contains an option. Say for example, now I want all the students who have passed an exam to be highlighted in different color and all the students have got failed in the exam in the different color. So for that what I should do is just again select the cell like this, go to conditional formatting option, select this highlight cell rule, text containing. So text containing equal is pass. So I will go for custom format option and it should be in the bold and fill option. So in the fill option, I will select fill effects. In the fill effects, I can choose any color which I want. I'll just go with this blue with some this combination like this. And I can also select with I want a vertical shading or diagonal shading or down diagram or from center. So let it keep it center and I will click on OK here and I will also click on OK. Now you can see all the students who are all the students who have passed the exam are reflected in different colors. So now you can see the changes like how it is being shown. So now the table is looking bit attractive and automatically the visualization itself is giving you a lot of information. Now I want someone in the field to be representing in different color. Again I selected it, conditional formatting and text that containing now I will change it to fail, and I will go for custom format option. In custom format option, first I will go for font. I will select bold and color. I will put it in the black this time and fill. In the fill option, I will go for fill effects here. In the fill effects, I will select something with red and something with white like this and from the center I'll click on OK for this, click on OK for this and OK. See here. So all the students have got failed are reflecting in different color and all the students have got passed. The exams are reflecting with different color. So now I hope you got the entire thing and I can also insert a beautiful table for this also, border for this also. I can go for all border options. So now you can see how this entire thing is looking. So in this class, what we have learned is we have learned how to apply conditional formatting. If you want to know the rule of this format also, like you can just go select this manage rule. So you got to know cell that contains fail is in this color, cell that contains pass is in this color. You can add a new rule here or you can edit a rule or you can delete a rule, whatever you want you can do with this option. So in this class we have learned how to apply the conditional formatting by highlighting the cell tool with the text that is containing. Okay. So I hope you understood the subject. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button and please do support the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.